Can you smell what the rock is cooking? It's Teremana tequila.
Welcome to Love is Blind!
Drinks, the Paloma for Mallory and the Tequila Sunrise for Salvador. For the Paloma, we're going to want to salt the rim. So we'll start off by taking a lime and just running it around the edge. And we'll go ahead and dip it right into our salt.
This is like throwing me off because now I'm like not feeling good about it.
We're going to add 2 ounces of tequila directly into the glass. Again, still no ice in this glass.
¿Hablas español? My parents are Mexican.
Okay, nice.
Half an ounce of lime juice. Now we'll go ahead and add the ice. And we'll top it with chilled grapefruit soda. We'll garnish it with a lime wheel.
Yes, I will marry you.
Now for Sal, we're still not going to shake or strain anything. 2 ounces directly into the glass. This time though, there's already ice in the glass. Then we'll fill our glass with orange juice. We've got 4 ounces here. Then we'll add in a 1/4 ounce of grenadine. We'll let that fall all the way to the bottom. We're going to garnish this not only with an orange slice, but also with a cherry on top. And with the Tequila Sunrise, you can see the grenadine rising from the bottom.
Welcome to Ferbalicious and Dick Shots. This is Jay Ferb. I am Dick Shots. I don't like Mallory. She acted different with different guys.
You don't like that ring. I know you don't. You like gold rings, though.
But let's get to what's important and let's drink. Try the cherry out. So I'm gonna preface this with I'm not a tequila guy.
Fucking smells like, can you smell what the rock is cooking? It's Teremana tequila. No, actually the salt is good with it. The salt and the grapefruit, I feel like this could be in a can.
Interesting. 5.8. Hurts me. Hurts me to say that. 5.8.
5.8?
Yeah.
Salvador's your favorite.
Salvador is my favorite character on that show. I just don't like Tequila Sunrise. It's a good one. It's a good Tequila Sunrise. But guess what the last drink I would ever order at a bar would be?
What?
Tequila Sunrise.
I love Teremana tequila. This is good. I give it an 8.3. You want to switch drinks?
Yeah, slam it, dude.
I think you'll like this one somewhat. Maybe.
Oh, wow. That's like spicy, dude.
Isn't it? I like this.
It's not bad. I just don't like tequila.
Because it's Dwayne with the Teremana tequila as well. I love Teremana tequila.
You guys on a first name basis?
Dwayne and I, here's the thing. Dwayne, hit me up. You and Tom Hanks need to run for president. President and vice president. Dwayne, like, subscribe. Let's get together soon. Let's link together in the Iron Paradise.
Salvador was one of the few reality TV personalities that I truly wanted to see successful. And I don't like reality TV all that much, but
I am the next survivor. So for me, I figured out the 4 things you'd have in order to be a survivor.
And I don't like reality TV all that much, but Salvador was the man. He keeps giving you all the good, like the rim stuff, like the sugar and the salt.
I know, and I don't usually like the good rim stuff.
Oh my goodness. This is rated R now.
Snapper works hard making the drinks, but you know what's really tough is drinking them.
Yep. Yeah, he's sitting in his ivory tower.
Sitting in his ivory tower with all his silver cups and spoons, and then here we are, just with sheer glasses and cherries, dude. Gotta make a living.
And he keeps calling it liqueur. Have you ever heard of that shit before?
Did you hear that? Tequila?
Oh my, tequila.
Tequila.
Like he's ever been out of the United States.
Teremana tequila. More like Teremana Schlam. I thought I took a huge sip. None of that went down.